Antique's mangrove swamps and wetlands are home to a number of migratory birds like egrets, kingfishers, herons, and species of ducks that fly long distances. Thus, in celebration of World Wetlands Day today, the people of Antique, in cooperation with the local DNR office and groups of volunteers, planted some 2,000 mangrove propagules to extend the reach of this bountiful ecosystem that benefits both man and wildlife. PIA's Pilar Macbaquiao has more.
Antique's wetland areas are home to thousands of migratory birds that enjoy its tropical climate. The Department of Environment and Natural Resources led the bird identification and counting in the towns of Antique, Bilisan, and Patnongon to identify species of migratory birds that frequent the province. Documentation of these birds records species like Philippine duck, black-crowned night heron, great egret, collared kingfisher, and wandering whistling duck, among other migratory birds.
In the province of Antique, we have conducted the Asian waterbird census in rice fields, swamps, and fish ponds. These areas serve as their food source and resting place during their long migratory journey.
To preserve Antique's wetlands and in celebration of World Wetlands Day, the DENR, in partnership with the local Environment and Natural Resources Office and group of volunteers, conducted a mangrove planting in Caritaan, Patnongon with a total of 2,000 mangrove propagules planted. The local Environment Office emphasized the important role of mangroves in coastal protection, biodiversity habitat, carbon sequestration, environmental conservation, and sustainable livelihoods.
We at the Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Office encourage every Antiqueño to take part in the preservation and conservation of the identified wetland sites in the province.
From the Philippine Information Agency, Pilar Macbaquiao for Balitang Pambansa.